All right, so DocHub is actually an app in Google that you can actually add into your Google Chrome so that whenever the kids work on a PDF, they can actually write on it. So I have two PDFs. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one up. When you click on Open With, I have already connected my DocHub to my Google. If it's not in this drop-down menu, you go to Connect More Apps and you type in DocHub, and there's only one. And then you just click on it, it's connected, you're good to go. Since it's connected, I'm going to go ahead and close it, and there it is. So when the kids open it, they need to use .hub, and when you do, it actually lets them write on it. There's different functions. They can type on it if they wanted to, like hello. Oh, I didn't do a good job. They can do a freehand. They change the color. There's even a highlighting function. They can erase it. So this lets them write on their PDFs without having to save it as a picture, upload it to Nearpod, do it as a drawing. So this is pretty easy, it's pretty versatile, and it's very clear. That's it.